Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2011 Hot Wheels. Today we have from the new models back in 2011, Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Number 24 of 50 on that year, and from the Batman Arkham Asylum. 24 of 50 in the new models. There you go. So you had 50 new models that year. Then it was 24 of 244 right there in the year. This is one of those ones I was saving in the package before I started opening them. Surprised I haven't opened this one yet. I probably have one opened, but I didn't do it on YouTube. And I've been opening on YouTube since, I don't know, 2019, including the races. Let's get this out of the package. Excited to add this to my collection. Even if I have another one, I don't care. They always went through a whole bunch of them anyway. You know they had more than one. I'm talking about the Hollywood. Or did they? Whoa. This is really unique. Plastic bottom, but you can see the metal around it. Oh. What? Alright, so your black is plastic. Your chrome look there is plastic. And then you got the Zamac stuck in the middle. So they could still call it a die cast. The engine that you're looking at is metal, so that's kind of cool. Actually, that's metal right there. So the middle piece is metal. Middle of it. Very smooth roller. It's a straight roller and it's a smooth roller. Alright, let's see how it does on my little track idea. No good that way. Excellent that way. Whoa! What if I'm not holding the ball? Still works. Yeah. Almost turned him around. That point helps a lot. That point right there has it ricocheting off that ball perfectly. Does it drift? It's the Batmobile. It must drift. Nice. Come back. That was on the line. That counts as a point. Come on, go, come on, come on, roll. Say, oh, that's the part where it's starting to warp. Stay. All right. Well, this is going into my character cars case. Sweet. Where I have tons of different types of Batmobiles. Thank you, everybody. I think I might be able to have an all Batmobiles case now, including the Batcopters and the Batplanes and the Batcycle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time, T10 out.